na po yung winners sa bawat posisyon. At ito pong mga batang babanggitin ko ang uupo next year as your new SSLG officers. Okay? So to start off, pag tinawag po mga anak, lapit dito sa harapan. Grade 12 representatives. First, we have Elaika Liwil Antonio. And Irvin Ezekiel Pancho. For our grade 11 representatives, we have Daniela Sabater and Darius Gabriel Abadilla. For our grade 10 representatives, we have Chloe Akita, Chloe Akita, and Mike Quinto. Nawawala. Hello. Ayan. And Michael Quinto. For our grade 9 representatives, we have Yuna Angelique Bernaldez and Leo Cedric Bersamin. Now for our grade 8 representatives, we have Venice Georgia Alab and Kobe James Ramos. For our main officer, our incoming protocol officer is Miguel Despabiladera. Our incoming public information officer is none other than Yvonne Nicole Puentesilia. Our incoming auditor is Patricia Hazel Escusa. For our treasurer, we have Ariana Cabagte. For our secretary, we have Precious Mary Dane Wenceslao. For our vice president, we have Maria Guadalupe de Guzman. And last but definitely not the least, our incoming president for the school year 2024-2025 is Nika Giselle Celeste. So ito po, tandaan niyo po ang mukha ng mga yan. Sa kanila po kayo lalapit next year for your concerns dahil sila po ang uupo as our new Supreme Secondary Learner Government Officers. Okay, so as part po of our appointments, may I call on Sir Robiner Espiritu in behalf of Dr. Caigon para po sa oath taking ng mga bata.
Okay, ready na ba ang mga bagong halal ng Student Council? I state your name. Of Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo High School.
Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo High School.
Having been elected, appointed as.
Having been elected, appointed as.
Ano yung position niyo?
President.
Okay. Of Supreme Secondary Learner Government.
Of Supreme Secondary Learner Government.
Do hereby solemnly swear.
Do hereby solemnly swear.
That I will faithfully.
That I will faithfully.
Discharge.
Discharge.
To the best of my ability.
To the best of my ability.
The duties of my present position.
The duties of my present position.
that I have clearly understood
that I have clearly understood,
and I will abide by
and I will abide by
the guidelines governing this organization
the guidelines governing this organization
and of the issuance by the Department of Education,
and of the issuance by the Department of Education,
and that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.